Morning, this is Joseph Sayun from Earthquake Sound. Today I want to share with you how you transport a signal up to 100 meters, 300 feet without picking up any noise, actually killing the hum noise, killing the hiss noise. To do this, you need to get this Hum Kleaner product along with HLLC-200. HLLC is basically high-low adapter balance with a lot more electronics than you need. Let's go over this. You can come into the Hum Kleaner, which is actually preamp for headphone or anything else. You can use it by itself. Soon as you get in the signal here, you select what you are coming with. If you come with RCA, XLR, or whatever. If you come in with XLR at 1 volt, I can give you up to 16 volt preamp out, zero noise. Once you transport the signal the long distance at high voltage, it has rejection ratio that is massive. It won't pick up any hum noise since it's balanced. Plus, it won't pick up buzz or anything else. This is really Hum Kleaner. Now, some people have problems down the line. If you come in with Hum Kleaner on the XLR 16 volt and you run it all the way 100 meters, so how you bring it down? Well, the HLLC comes to the rescue. This unit allows you to use left and right high level on one side. It has a pot for adjustment of the gain, and it gives you 4 RCA out. So you have 2 stereo output, and you drop it to 1 volt. So here's the deal. We call this balance high voltage transport. Balance high voltage transport. So any noise you pick up on the blue line will be canceled by noise picked up on the red line, therefore canceling each other out. This is the best way to transport signal, is using high voltage transport. Now, you can use this separately. Now, I know this is from our car audio division. In fact, once you excite the input, you can use 12 volt trigger out if you want. You don't have to power it. We're using it here just to drop the signal so that the unit receiving the signal will not be saturating the preamp part of it. Equally, the Hum Kleaner can be used separately, as I said, for headphone or any type of preamp to clean up. People are using it also on turntables, which lack a lot of current. So you put the turntable input and crank it up. There is no cleaner preamp on the market. From Earthquake Sound, this is Joseph Sayun. Thank you for listening.